Well guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Big D, aka David Hofer, aka David 12, whatever. We're gonna be unboxing these. I already unboxed one, and it was a Barnacle Boy. So we're gonna unbox these three on camera. Let's go. Okay, the first one, I'm gonna unbox this one. Hold on. I had it upside down. We got a blue raspberry for the Krabby Patty. And for the stickers, we got Patrick and Mrs. Puff. Okay. And for the toy, we got another Barnacle Boy. Okay, I guess that was duplicate. Hopefully this is not a duplicate. For the Krabby Patty, oh, we got the OG Krabby Patty right here. I'm feeling good about this one. And for the stickers, oh, we got Gary and SpongeBob. Or no. Wow. I mean, Squidward, not SpongeBob. I have a good feeling about this one. And for the mystery toy is well, we did get SpongeBob, but we did not get the super rare one. We did get SpongeBob. That's cool. And for the last box, hopefully it's the rare one. Or Squidward, whatever. And for the Krabby Patty, it is another original one. Another OG. So, most likely, this is, I don't know, to be honest. We got Squidward, everybody. So, what we got so far is another Barnacle Boy. We got SpongeBob. And then we got Patrick. Hold on. See? Over there is Patrick, Barnacle Boy. And that's the video, guys. So, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And, yeah. Y'all have a nice day.